Hey y'all, welcome back to Diamond's Kitchen. Today he's going to show us how to make curry shrimp. Now let's get started.
It's my first season. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of accent. Teaspoon of seasoned salt. Teaspoon of Dover. Seafood season teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I put 4 tablespoons of curry powder. And next I got my onion. First time. Cut up my scallion. That's my onion. And make sure you gotta wash all your veggie before you cut. Make sure you wash all your veggie. Green pepper. And add scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit in it, for it's very spicy. I'm gonna put a little bit. Now I'm about to mix it all together, marinate it. A little bit more curry powder. Now it's all mixed together. Now I gotta taste my season. Okay, that's just done. How about to do it now? And now I'm getting ready to put it on the stove. I gotta get my pot hot. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm getting ready to put the shrimp in the pot. The pot already hot with my grease. So now I'm gonna get ready to put it all in. Now I'm sauteing. I'm gonna saute it for at least 5 minutes. Then I pour some water in it and put my cover on. And it'll be finished cooking 20 minutes. 15 minutes.
So what are you doing?
Put a little bit more curry powder because it looks like it's too light. So I'll put a little bit more curry powder.
And you have to keep.
You gotta keep stirring. Make sure all the shrimp then saute and your vegetable before you put the water in. Shrimp don't take long, so you just need a little bit of water. Now my shrimp is finished sauteing. Now I'm about to put the water in. Remember, don't forget, don't put a lot of water in the shrimp because you don't want it hard. It don't take long to cook. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water, about 2 cups of water. And now I got to put my cover on it, and this should be done in 10 minutes. Okay, Don Kitchen is back. My rice is finished. My curry shrimp is done. Now it's time to eat. I'm about to fix the plate. Remember, you cook a white rice. It depends on how much you cook. I cook a pound of white rice. I use 4 cups of water. 2 pounds, 6 cups.